Introducing the 2021 Citroen C5 Aircross Feel Pack Puretech 130 SS 4-door in stylish grey. This MPV is loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, ABS, parking assistance and more for a comfortable and safe driving experience. With a 1.2 litre engine and manual transmission, this car is both powerful and efficient. Plus, with extras like a stop and start system and tyre repair kit, you'll be prepared for anything. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this incredible Citroen C5 Aircross today.